you see what I saw?
Stronger, louder, clearer, radiating its power from the highest peak in the uptown area.
In Rinconada, Hot FM 88.7.
Reaching more and more people everywhere.
Heavens, what a terrible curse.
Unleashing its new strength.
Don't you know who I am?
Hot FM is now transmitting at the highest peak in the uptown area.
We are on the air.
We just want to serve you well with a strong signal that penetrates your radios deeper, clearer, and louder. Hot FM. Hot.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Bayang magiliw, peras ng silanganan, alap ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisigil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bakaw. May ilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang nilamahal. Ang kislat ng watawat mo'y tagumpay lalagay.